Here we go. We have the Digitnow 4-channel video capture card here. The reason why I decided to get this video capture card was because I wanted to be able to produce better videos for our channel here by using multiple cameras and being able to record from all those cameras at the same time. So I'm hoping that this is going to be the device that I need and that will fulfill the needs of my channel. This device is very heavy. It feels really good. It's well constructed. As you can see, it's got 4 inputs for the cameras and 1 output. One thing I like about this Digitnow is it comes with a lot of cables, for connecting the cameras, which is unusual because most devices would just be the device and maybe the plug and the, as you see, the 3.0 connector to the computer. This one comes with 4 HDMI cables, which is, like I said, very rare for like most devices. They don't give you all these cables. See, this one here is missing a cover, which is interesting because I opened this just now. So I don't know if that was purpose or not. And it's got a remote, which is just cool. So I don't know how it works, but I definitely can't wait to connect this thing and see if it's going to fit the needs of what I want to do. I only have 2 1080p 60 frame per second cameras that I'm going to connect to it at this time, but hopefully I can get maybe 3 cameras and then I can do a 3-shot montage or something for videos. Well, here it is, y'all. So I've been looking for a device like this that can capture multiple cameras at one time. And this was the only one that seemed like, at a decent price that I'll be able to capture and record the video from multiple cameras. And the reason why I want to be able to do this is so that I can get different camera angles and make it a little easier on editing without losing quality. Because when you take one camera angle and you just zoom it in or try to get that close-up that you want, it tends to lose a little bit of quality or the grades as you zoom in. So being able to have multiple shots will be great for videos in the future, and I think this is going to help me make better videos. So I'm going to give this thing a try, and hopefully the Digitnow is what I'm aiming to get. The main thing is going to be is if it can do the record of all the footage, and that way I can put it into an editor such as Premiere or Final Cut Pro and produce better quality videos. So I hope you like this one. Drop a comment and a like below and check out some of the other unboxings as I progress on this journey of making better videos. Thank you, and till next one, yo. You know what to do. I'm out of here.